Ooh, big. God dang. This is a unit. Man, y'all see this, man. This thing is clean as hell, bro. Man. I need an import. I need something right here to drive. GTR alleyway right here. This one's dope, bro. This one's dope. It's all white. Look, this 33. 33, 33, 33, 30, I think it's 33. Yeah, it's 33. I love, people be hating on the 33s. I like the 33s though. I like the 33s a lot, actually. Tell me the 33s aren't clean though. And a Millennium Jade, that's the dream GTR. R33 Millennium Jade. Man. That's a cool little shift knob, actually. That's actually a nice shift knob. I don't know if y'all can see it. Nice shift knob. Damn. Insane. I'm gonna give you all some photos. I'm just trying to walk through and get the video done right now, so start shooting and shit. But dude, R35s, always see those at every meet. Ooh. Probably. This is clean right here. This is the unit right here, bro. This is the unit right here.
Oh no, you're right. And then I also have a whole You just missed it. It was a straight pipe Prius. Oh really? It went like one of the. Oh look at that thing. Super low. The car here that wasn't here. It's a muscle car. Long story short, check this out. My first front lip is split into 3 different pieces. Yeah, very tough. I must have bottomed out. I think I bottomed out. What is it?
Baby blue is nice. Tricks M2, man, it's so nice. Is it? Has its wheels. Yeah, this has to be Pat's. This is Pat's. Man, I love his car, bro. Every time I see it, I tell him, your M2 is too clean, bro. Pat has a nice ass M2, bro. C8 out here. Ooh, the Wagoon. Got an S6. S5. These ultimate wagon right here, bro. Ultimate wagon right here. God damn. Fucking twin turbo. M series, M3. That's M3 comp.
Look at these front legs.
They getting active out here. Come on, come on, come on, come on.
There's an elephant in there.
I need to get me a little RC drift car. I might need to get one. I might need to get one. Dang, 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 dang. That's cool, though. That's cool, bro. Excuse me, bro.
Oh, sorry.
No, you're good, bro. Irony. Oh. Oh. Yo, they got an LFA, man. I think they had this here a couple months ago for service. I think I remember it being in here. It's clean. It's clean. Lamborghinis. Ford GT. Classic. Classic car. Classic car. This car really changed the tide for Ford back in the day, brother. This looked like Ford's dipping their toe in the exotic game, getting out of the pony and muscle cars. Look, this was Ford's first mid-engine sports car. I mean, really their own mid-engine sports car. That you see, even got the Whipple supercharger on it. You see the Whipple sticking out. I mean, this thing's a beast. I mean, they're fucking rare. They're fucking rare. I'm pretty sure this is original. It has Montana plates, so I'm pretty sure it's an original. Cause you know, if it's registered in Montana, you got some bread, okay? Cause that's man. Oh shit. F40. I feel like I've seen more F40s than I've seen Ford GT. F40, fucking nifty unit. Nifty unit. Excuse me, bro. Pop outside.
Yeah, they have the vendors and they have the track. They have like
Excuse me. I parked over in the back of Nissan because I'm like, I'm not parking down at Kohl's today. I'm not parking down at Kohl's today. Okay, the shadows are a little less harsh on these cars right now, so you can start shooting these. The sun isn't fucking, well, the sun is kind of aggressive on these. That's all right. Got the L's out. Come on. My boy should have pulled his IS out, but you know, he ain't got it right now. It's alright. McLarens. Hopping, bro. Oh, this was at Auto Vino not too long ago. With the other meat. What is it, a GT3? Sure it's a GT3. Yeah, GT3. Hey, it's clean. Clean as fuck, bro. Let's see what they got back here. Thank you. Bro, like, whenever I come to work here, bro, the power's always out. Swear to God. I see on fucking Wednesday, power's out. Couple twin NSX, come on, man. Type 1. Oh, I see what I'm liking. See some things I'm liking over here. RX, come on. Come on. Bruh. FD all the way. Come on. FCs are cool too. FCs are for sure we slept on, but the FDs are always the king, as we see here. But I'm an FC guy, but the FDs are fucking clean. They're the big dogs. They're the big dogs in the fucking rotary fucking realm. That's running 2 Redders. All of them are 2s. I don't know if I can't see in the engine bay. He might be swapped out. I don't know if he's swapped with something. This guy's still doing the 2 Rotor. Upgraded intercooler. Good sway bars. Ooh, nice BOV. Is that the HKS? It is the HKS BOV. God damn. It's nifty. Nifty. Those BOVs sound so nice. Those BOVs sound sensational. RSX, hey. Can't get mad at RSX, man. You really can't. Is this Type S? Hey, I mean, it is a Type S. Okay. Type S's are nice, man. They're nice. They're nice cars. Got some solid lineups today. The GR, they're still taxing on the GR prices. I'm not paying 50 bands for a Corolla. Not doing it, but it's okay. It's okay. I get it. It's new. Actually, we can take a look at it. Now, I've driven 2 of these. They're good. They're good cars. I mean, it's a Corolla. Oh, he put an upgraded shifter on the shift knob, different shift knob on it. Nice. They're clean, man. I like them. They're fun cars.